one of the big things that I talk to people a lot about these days that would have not been a conversation really even 25 or 30 years ago is a particular type of shoulder replacement that we do called a reverse shoulder replacement. And that shoulder replacement is for people who have certain types of arthritis where the rotator cuff is deficient, or people who have really bad fractures in whom reconstruction is not an option. And so the reverse replacement basically makes it such that your shoulder doesn't need to have a rotator cuff, which is kind of somewhat of a revolutionary concept even today. Although reverse shoulder replacements aren't perfect, they're actually a very, very good solution for a lot of problems in the last 25 years that never had a good solution previously. Obviously, standard shoulder arthroplasty, shoulder replacements, just the normal way, are also extremely successful too. So not taking away from that, but like I said, it's a very unique thing.